Hello, everyone. My name is Shaivy Patel. Today, we'll explore the critical issue of AI-powered hiring and the challenge of addressing bias in these systems. As AI continues to play an increasing role in recruitment, it is crucial that we understand the risks and ethical implications that come with it. AI has the potential to revolutionize hiring by increasing efficiency, reducing costs, and enabling quicker decision-making. However, this efficiency often comes at the cost of fairness. AI systems, if not meticulously monitored, designed, and developed, can reflect or even amplify existing societal biases. This presentation will focus on the ethical implications of AI in hiring and explore strategies to ensure fairness in these systems. Algorithmic bias occurs when AI systems unintentionally reflect the prejudices in the data they are trained on. For instance, if a hiring algorithm is trained on historical data where male candidates were predominantly selected, the AI might favor male candidates in the recruitment process. Amazon encountered this particular problem back in 2018 and had to scrap their hiring algorithm. The impact of algorithmic bias is far-reaching. Qualified candidates may be overlooked, leading to a significant loss of talent and potential decline in performance. This undermines diversity, equity, and inclusion efforts and can result in long-term reputational damage for organizations. Moreover, biased hiring practices can open companies to potential lawsuits, further exacerbating the problem. Some currently existing regulations may help prevent bias in the hiring context, such as NYC Local Law 144, which requires companies to conduct annual audits of their recruitment and hiring algorithms, and the Illinois AI Video Interview Act, under which employers must notify a candidate when AI will be used to analyze video interviews, explain how exactly the AI works, and acquire consent from the applicant to use it. However, there is still a pressing need for comprehensive frameworks that ensure accountability and transparency in AI hiring processes. Without these frameworks and laws, the risk of bias and unfairness will persist. To mitigate algorithmic bias, several solutions can be implemented. Regular algorithmic audits are essential to identify and address bias in AI systems before they cause harm. It is also imperative that these are conducted by third-party organizations. Transparency measures in AI usage should be adopted to ensure that all stakeholders are aware of the role AI plays in the hiring process. Additionally, utilizing DEI tools during the development and deployment stage of a hiring algorithm can ensure inclusivity and fairness, as well as improve overall mood in the workplace. Integrating DEI training into the company culture is another vital step. Employees should be educated on the biases of AI and how to detect and counteract them. By fostering an environment that prioritizes ethical AI deployment, organizations can support their DEI goals and build a more productive and inclusive workplace. Transparency is key to building trust in AI-powered hiring. Companies must disclose the role of AI in the recruitment process, as well as the so-called thought process that the algorithms use to hire or reject our applicants. This allows candidates to understand how decisions are made. Establishing clear accountability measures is equally important to ensure that any biases or issues are quickly addressed, corrected, and never repeated. Ethical AI can serve as a catalyst for attracting and recruiting diverse talent while simultaneously enhancing an organization's brand reputation. By prioritizing fairness and transparency in the AI-driven hiring process, companies not only appeal to a larger range of candidates, but also position themselves as leaders in ethical innovation. This focus on diversity and ethical practices strengthens the brand's image, making it more attractive to top talent and stakeholders who value integrity and social responsibility. In conclusion, the ethical use of AI in hiring is not just about compliance. It's essential for business success. Companies must commit to fairness, transparency, and accountability in their AI practices to build trust and avoid biases. Ethical AI is crucial for attracting diverse talent and maintaining a strong, positive reputation. By leading with these principles, organizations position themselves as inclusive and forward thinking employers, ensuring long term success. Thank you for your time and attention.